Hello, everybody. Today we're going to use Agent 3 in Replit to create a new blog post. So I'm going to start by copying the content that I just got from my client. Well, actually, I got it earlier this morning. I've been wanting to show this to both my audience and my client, how we go about adding content now that the site is built on AI in Replit. So I'm copying everything into Replit Agent. I'm even going to grab a screenshot of the way this looks. And what I would do is normally I would have my client either provide a PDF or a Word doc for something like this. This way that the formatting could be retained. But in the case that it's not available, then we just take a screenshot so they can see, they being the agent can see the exact precise formatting. Like we want to keep the integrity of these different little italics, bold italics, so on and so forth. Okay, it knows to choose post blog. It knows to choose a random image pulled from the database. I've defined as such to not, updated workflow with seasonal awareness. Don't post pumpkin pie pics to my blogs in September. So just to be clear, I've already given this agent probably 25 images to choose from. Some are seasonal, some aren't. Because every week, it doesn't require a hunt to go out and get the perfect image of something that looks like finance news. It's just nice to have a good featured image for sharing out in LinkedIn and Facebook and wherever else this may get put out there. If you share a blog without an image, then it's just like a title on the screen and it just doesn't really stand out at all. But let's see. We are approximately 2 minutes into this video. I think it's going to tell me right now that it is live and ready for viewing. So let's see. 2 minutes and all right. Good to go. This video is wrapped at 2 minutes and 30 seconds. New blog post from prompting from an email. Okay. That's how it's done, using an agent and communicating via prompts and not going to an interface and logging in and doing all the traditional things that you do in a WordPress build.